Friends, today we are going to see how to use hyperlink within Excel file. Hyperlink can be used to link other files also, but in this session we are going to see how to use hyperlink in a workbook. In a workbook, there can be multiple worksheets. For example, here we have multiple worksheets like January, February, March, April, May, like this. So we may have to access each and every worksheet whenever we are working. So this is a long list is going on. Can you see here? Yes. So in your office also, if you have such a bigger Excel file, what you can do is you can create a hyperlink. For example, if you want to go quickly to October data, see I have done one index file in the first sheet. So if I want to go to October quickly, I'll just click on that. So it will go to the worksheet of October 2019. So whatever work I want to do here, so I'll complete. Then I will go click back. It will go to the first sheet. This has been done by hyperlink. Yes. Now let us see how we can do a hyperlink. Okay. For example, January 2019 is a link. If I click here, it has to go to this particular worksheet. How to do this? Click this text. Go to insert, hyperlink. Here, place in this document. Please select this. Place in this document. Select. Then select the worksheet name January. Okay. Then click OK. Okay. Similarly, give it for February also. Once again, I am doing. Please watch it. February. Select it. Go to insert. Go to hyperlink. And select place in this document. Then which one I have to select? February worksheet. Okay. Yes, I have done this. Okay. Now I have to add a button. That is, whenever I am clicking here, it has to go back. Correct? So I have to add this button. How to add here? Just show you first how to add a button. Go to insert, shape. You can select any button here. You can select this. If you want to color, change color, you can color. Okay, I selected button. So now I will give the word which I want to do. Okay, now my button is ready. Now what we have to do? If I click here, it has to go to the index. How to do this? Again, a hyperlink. Select this, go to insert, hyperlink, place in this document, go to index. Okay. Can we do once again in February? What we are doing? Go to insert, shapes. Take any button which you like. So I have taken this button. So whichever the color you want, you can give. Okay. Then you can give some text, back or main screen, whatever you want. You can make the font bigger. I've done this. Button is ready. Now I have to give a hyperlink. How to give? Insert, hyperlink, place in this document, and where I have to go back to the index file page. Then click OK. Let us see our hyperlink is working or not. We have given hyperlink for January, correct? Click on it is going to the January screen. Then if you click on back, it will go to the index. Is it easy, friends? If you like this, Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.